Let us learn how to find out the factors of bigger numbers. 20 तक तो हमें tables learn होते हैं. उसके बड़े numbers का factors find करने के लिए what procedure will be used? So we have learnt that 1 will divide 250 and 250 will also divide. Let us check. We have learnt that factor is a number that divides the given number exactly, यानी कि रिमाइंडर हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए. So 1 के साथ let us check. 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 zeros are 0. So we'll get remainder 0. Similarly, if we'll divide 250 with 250, 1 times 250 is 250. Now these are not only the two factors of 250. So let us check with number 2. ठीक है, इस तरह से 1 2 3 4 से अगर हम चलते हैं तो हमें इजी रहता है कि हमें कहाँ स्टॉप करना है. So now let us check with number 2. Let us divide 250 with number 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, we'll subtract, this is 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 125 is also a factor of 250. We have seen it over here. अगर हमने ये दोनों नंबर पेयर में लिखे हैं, that means 1 is also a factor and 250 is also a factor. So similarly, if we'll divide 250 with 2, the 2 and 125 both are the factors of given number 250. We don't have to stop here. Let us check with number 3. So 250 से we'll divide 250 को we'll divide with number 3. 8 3s are 24. 10. Now 3 3s are 9, as 10 doesn't comes in 3's table. So we are left with remainder. That means 3 is not a factor of 250. So we'll not put it in the group of factors. Let us check with number 4. 250. 6 4s are 24. We are left with 10. 4 2s are 8. We are left with 2. So again 4 is also not a factor of 250. Let us check with number 5. 5 5s are 25. 0 0 again हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, 0 as remainder. Now 5 is a factor of number. So 50 is also a factor. So we'll cross this. 3 is not the factor. Let us check with number 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 4 is the remainder. So 6 is also not a factor. Now 7. 7 3s are 21. 40. 7 5s are 35. 5 is the remainder. So it is also not a factor. Now we'll do it with 8. 8 3s are 24. 10 1s are 8. 2 is the remainder. 8 is also not a factor. Similarly 9. 250. 9 2s are 18 and this is 30. 9 3s are 27 and 3 is the remainder. Let us check with 10. Sorry, this is 250. So 10 2s are 20 and 10 5s are 50. Now similarly we'll check with number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 likewise, and wherever we get the remainder 0, that are the numbers which are dividing, which are the factors of 250. So I have listed the factors. So first is 1 and 250. Second one is 2 and 125. Here we are left with remainder here also, and 5 and 50, 10 and 25, 16 and 15, and there afterwards 25 and 10. अब 25 दोबारा आ गया, ये देखो यहाँ पे, this was 10 and 25, 25 and 10. That means you have to stop here at 16. When the gap becomes very small, then we have to stop.